Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter function. Before that you should do Brahmanath. Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the chapter relation. What is relation and what is the domain of relation? What is the codomain of the relation? What is the range of the relation, etc. Okay, what is image and what is pre-image? What is inverse of the relation and what is the relation from A to B? What is the relation on A? Today we are going to discuss the new topic, that is function. What is function? Actually, function is a special type of relation. It follows, it obeys some conditions. That conditions are: number one, the relation f from A to B is said to function if domain of the function relation is equal to A and codomain subset of B, and it is not one many relation. These are the concept of the function. Okay, so let's define what is function from A to B. Definition: first, function is first before definition. Function is also known as function is also known as mapping, correspondence, 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 or rule, etc. Function is also known as mapping, correspondence, or rule, etc. So definition, what is definition? The relation f from A to B is said to be a function, said to be a function. The relation f from A to B is said to be a function if it satisfies the following conditions. The following conditions. Number one, dom f is equal to what? Dom a total set, whole set A. Number two, range f subset of codomain, that is B, that is set B. Number three, it is not one many relation, or we can say or we can say the relation f from A to B is said to be a function, if every element of set A are associated with single element of set B. This is the definition of the relation. So DOM F equal to complete set A, range F equal to complete set B, and it is not one many relation. That is, each and every element are of set A are used only once. This is the main concept of the function. Okay. Now some examples. Example, suppose this is set A and this is set B, this is set A and this is suppose F1. So A1, A2, A3, A4 and B1, B2, B3, B4, suppose B5. This is a relation and it is also a function. It is function because every element of set A is related to the element. Here DOM F is equal to what? That is F1 is equal to here, that is A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3, A4, B3. Now DOM F equal to what? DOM F is equal to what? First component A1, A2, A3, A4, which is equal to what? Whole set A. This is equal to whole set A. And range is equal to what? Range F is equal to here B1, B2, B3. B1, B2, B3, which is subset of set B. Here A is equal to what? A1, A2, A3, A4, B equal to B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. And this is subset of B. And it is not, here F1 is, here F1 is not one many relation. So this is condition DOM F equal to condition 1, condition 2 and condition 3. 3 are satisfied. Okay. This is example 1 and another example is what? Another second example. Example 2. This is suppose A and this is suppose B. A, B. A1, A2, A3, A4. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, this, here and this. It is not function and this is suppose F2. F2 is not function. F2 is not function. Here F2 is equal to what? F2 is equal to A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3, and A4, B4, A5, A4, B5. Here domain is equal to what? Dom F2 is equal to A1, A2, A3, A4. First condition satisfied. Range F2 is equal to what? Range F2 equal to same here, that is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, but it is one to many relation. So it is not function, it is one many relation. Okay, so or we can observe that elements of set A are totally but not repeated here, but here repeated. For function, elements of the first set cannot be repeated. Okay, it is repeated here. A4 को B4 जाइए, A4 को B5 जाइए, repeated here. This is not function. Okay, and another example is what? Example 3. Example 3 is Example 3, suppose example 3, here A, here B, and this is F3, A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, and this is like this. This is also a function because the set of first set element, the element of first set is every element of first set is are used only once, so it is a function. So what is range, what is image and pre-image of the function, what is domain, codomain and pre. Now image and pre-image of the function, image and pre-image. Suppose x comma y belongs to f. Okay, then image of x is y and pre-image of y is x. Suppose that is, this is suppose set x and this is set y, and this is mapping from x to y, and this is x, small x and small I. X is related to y. Okay, so this set, this is what? This is image of x, and this is what? Pre-image of y. Another note, if x comma y belongs to f, then y is equal to f of x, where x is independent and y is dependent. Now what is domain, codomain and range? Domain, codomain and range of the function f from A to B. If f is a mapping or function from A to B, set A to set B, that is f from A to B be a function, then dom f is equal to whole set A, codomain is equal to whole set B, range f is equal to what? Range f equal to the set of images of elements of A, that is f of A. Clear? Now one example, let A is equal to 1 2 4, B is equal to 1 2 3 4 9 16 25, and f from A to B is defined as f of x is equal to suppose x square. Then write dom f codomain f, domain, codomain and range of the function. Range of the function. This is the question. Now this is question solution. A is equal to 1 to 4. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 16, 25. And f from A to B, f of x is equal to x square. Now f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 4, f of 4 is equal to 16. Now the relation f is equal to what? Relation f is equal to 1 comma 1 and this is equal to what? 2 comma 4 and 4 comma 16. This is the function. Now the function is what? Like this. This is set A and this is set B, and this is from mapping from A to B, and this is 1, 2, 4, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 16, 25. Okay, and this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, and this is what? 4, 16. So dom f is equal to whole set A 1, 2, 4. Codomain equal to what? Codomain equal to set B, and range is equal to f of A. That is what? 1, 4, 16. 1, 4, 16. This is range f. Okay. This is a range f. Now what is domain of the function f of x? Domain of the function f of x, y is equal to f of x, or f of x, y is equal to f of x. Domain of the function y is equal to f of x. Domain means actually domain means input. Actually domain means what? Input to input. A range means what? Output. A range means what? Output. So domain of the function y is equal to f of x is the set of values of x for which the function is defined. Defined means what? Defined means real values, not infinity, not plus or minus infinity. Real value, not plus or minus infinity. Now rules to find domain. Rules to find domain. Rules to find domain. Number 1 rule, y is equal to suppose px by qx here is defined if qx not equal to 0. Number 2, y is equal to root px is defined or meaningful if px greater than equal to 0, because square root of negative number negative is equal to imaginary. So this is imaginary. So under the square the values will be 0 or greater than 0. Okay. Now 3, y is equal to what? Y is equal to px by root qx. Denominator should not be 0, so is defined denominator should not be 0 is defined if qx should be positive greater than 0. And fourth one is y is equal to, suppose log of px is defined if px greater than 0. These are the very, very important rules, and follow the conditions to find the domain and range. Okay, these are the 4 conditions to find domain. Now some concept regarding domain. Now theorems. If d1 and d2 are domains of the functions f1 and f2, then number 1, domain of f1 plus or minus f2 is d1 intersection d2, that is common domain. Number 2, domain of f1 into f2 is also the common domain of d1 d2. Number 3, domain of f1 by f2 is d1 intersection d2 minus f2 is equal to 0. This is the theorems, fundamental theorems, how to find the domain of the composite function, addition, subtraction, division and product. Now some problems regarding to domain of the function. Before finding domain, you should know about the interval. Okay, you should clarify the concept of interval. Now some questions regarding domain of the function. Find the domain of the function f of x is equal to x square plus 3s plus 8. x बदल में आम जेकोसी रियल नंबर वैल्यू पुट कले फंक्शनटा सब रियल वैल्यू ही आसो, इनफिनिटी आसबनी कि अनरियल आसबनी. सो इट इज सॉल्यूशन f of x is equal to x square plus 3s plus 8 for every real values of x, the function f of x is defined. Therefore dom f is equal to set of real number r or minus infinity comma. This is answer. Number 2, find the domain of the following. This is solution. F of x is equal to x plus 5 divided by x minus 3. Solution. F of x is equal to x plus 5 divided by x minus 3. If denominator equal to 0, then the function is not defined. It is defined if x minus 3 not equal to 0. If x minus 3 not equal to 0, that implies x not equal to 3. X not equal to 3 means x value 3 haboni, 3 ko chhadi sabu real number, means what? Dom f is equal to whole real number except what? 3. So minus 3. Now another question. Now question number 3. Find the domain of f of x is equal to x square plus 1 divided by what? X square plus 5x plus 6. Solution. F of x is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 5x plus 6. It is defined if x square plus 5x plus 6 not equal to 0. That implies what? Factorize this. So this is x plus 2 into what? X plus 3 not equal to 0. That implies x not equal to minus 2, x not equal to minus 3. X minus 2 habani, minus 3 habani. Therefore, dome f is equal to what? Whole real set r minus 3 comma minus 2. This is answer. Now another question. Find the domain of f of x is equal to x square root of x minus 4. So solution is f of x is equal to square root of x minus 4 is defined. We know this should be what? Greater than equal to 0. So x minus 4 should be greater than equal to 0. That implies what? X greater than equal to 4. Suppose this is number line, minus infinity plus infinity, and this is 4. Greater than means right side. So x is greater than equal to 4. Starting from 4. So dome f is equal to what? देखो 4 or greater than 4. So equal to sign थिले सब बड़े square bracket हबो. 4 infinity पे सब बड़े common bracket हबो. This is dome f. Now question number 5. Find the domain of f of x is equal to 6 minus 2x. 6 minus 2x. So solution is f of x is equal to square root of 6 minus 2x is defined. This is defined. This should be greater than equal to 0. So 6 minus 2x greater than equal to 0. So what? 6 greater than equal to 2x divided by 2. So 3 greater than equal to what? 3 greater than equal to x. Or we can write that is x less than equal to 3. X less than equal to 3. So if this is number line and 3. X less than equal to 3. So minus infinity. Less means what? Left side. So dome f equal to minus infinity comma 3 square bracket. Now another question. Question number 6. Find the domain of f of x is equal to square of x square minus 25. Same concept. Solution. F of x is equal to square root of x square minus 25 is defined if x square minus 25 greater than equal to 0. A type question के careful देखियो पड़ियो. इटा solve roughly solve करियो. roughly solve करो कहते x square minus 25 equal to 0 है. x square is equal to 25. x is equal to plus or minus 5 आसिला. ठीक अच्छे. एती कला परे नंबर लाइन ड्रा करिवो माइनस इनफिनिटी प्लस इनफिनिटी दुईटा वैल्यू अच्छे माइनस 5 गोटे प्लस 5 गोटे माइनस 5 स्मॉल लेटर तुम फास्ट लिखियो प्लस 5 एति कला परे तुम एक्स स्क्वायर कोएफिशिएंट कोन अछि देखियो जदि प्लस अछि इट प्लस आरंभ करियो जदि माइनस थांता माइनस आरंभ करथांतो हला प्लस तपर अल्टरनेट माइनस प्लस हमो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 माने कोन प्लस दरकार ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 माने कोन प्लस सो प्लस वैल्यू पई ए2 ऐड करिवो ए2 प्लस जपट से ओटे माइनस तति थांता न माइनस को कवर करता तो डोम एफ इक्वल के तो डोम एफ इक्वल टू माइनस इनफिनिटी माइनस 5 स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट यूनियन 5 to infinity. This is question. Proper solution of this question. Then find another question. Find domain of the function f of x equal to 36 minus a square. Solution f of x is equal to square root of 36 minus x square. Okay, it is defined if x 36 minus x square 36 minus x square greater than equal to 0. Same thing rough here, rough 36 minus x square equal to 0, x square equal to 36, x is equal to plus or minus 6. Same concept. Draw number line. This is minus infinity plus infinity. Okay, this is minus infinity plus infinity, or you can factorize this x. 6 plus x, 6 minus x is equal to 0, greater than equal to 0. X equal to plus or minus 6. Okay, this is minus 6 and this is plus 6. What is the coefficient of x square here? That is might x square here minus. So if the coefficient of x square is minus, then put right side minus. A plus, then put plus. जदि x square कोएफिशिएंट माइनस थी माइनस पुट करिवो, प्लस थी प्लस पुट करिवो, माइनस प्लस माइनस. आम रिक्वायरमेंट कौन अच्छी ग्रेटर देन 0 माने पॉजिटिव रिक्वायरमेंट. तो पॉजिटिव रिक्वायरमेंट कौन अच्छी ए भीतर अच्छी, पॉजिटिव ए भीतर अच्छी. तो डोम एफ के था देयरफॉर डोम एफ इज इक्वल टू -6, कॉमन ब्रैकेट जेहेतु इक्वल साइन थे कॉमन ब्रैकेट हम, सॉरी इक्वल साइन थे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट हम. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट जब इक्वल साइन अच्छी स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट यूज कर. ओके, नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द डोमेन of f of x is equal to 3x divided by root over x minus 4. Same easy question. Solution: f of x is equal to 3x divided by root over x minus 4. X minus 4 is defined if, very important, it is denominator, so this should not be 0. So x minus 4 not greater than equal to 0, that is greater than 0 only. Okay, that is greater than 0 only. So x greater than 4. जो नंबर लाइन हम ये 4 हम माइनस इनफिनिटी प्लस ग्रेटर माने इक्वल टू साइन नहीं, वेरी इंपोर्टेंट, इक्वल साइन एब्सेंट. सो दिस नॉट इक्वल टू 4. सो 4 टू टिके छाड़ी याड़ को, तो यही रिजन है. तो जब इक्वल साइन नहीं तो कौन हम कॉमन ब्रैकेट हम 4 to infinity. ओके, नाउ 9. Find the another question. Find the domain of another question. Find the domain of question number 9. Question number 9. Find the domain of f of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by root over x square minus 4. Very important. That is what? Solution: f of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by root over x square minus 4 is defined if this is denominator, very important, not equal to 0 here. This should not be 0. So x square minus 4 only greater than 0. If this will be in the numerator, then greater than equal to 0. For denominator should not be 0. So factorize this, x plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, and solving this we get here minus infinity plus or minus 2, and this is 2. Here coefficient of x square is plus, here coefficient of x square is plus, so put plus sign from the extreme right, plus, then up alternate, then minus, then plus. But your requirement is greater than 0, means positive, not equal to 0, only positive. So 2 to exclude, and this is also excluded. Include पाई सब डार्क, exclude पाई सर्कल करे आमे सिंबल यूज करिवा. तो डोम f is equal to what? Dome f is equal to minus infinity minus 2 common bracket and 2 to infinity common bracket. Clear? And another question. Find domain of f of x is equal to square root of x plus 2 x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 x plus 5. Carefully watch करो. First solution, f of x is equal to स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x प्लस 2 x माइनस 3 डिवाइड बाय x माइनस 1 x प्लस 5 फास्ट जीरो नहीं कि सब वैल्यू बाहर कर दियो कौन कौन रफ रे कौन करवा ए सब जीरो नब तो नंबर लाइन ड्र कर x इक्वल टू के आसो x प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 0 रफ वर्क तो x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0 x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0 x इज इक्वल टू 3 x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0 x इज इक्वल टू 1 x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0 x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5 तो नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करो माइनस इनफिनिटी प्लस इनफिनिटी फर्स्ट स्मॉलर नंबर की माइनस 5 तापर स्मॉलर माइनस 2 तापर स्मॉलर 1 तापर स्मॉलर 3 सब लिखिदेव जो x माइनस 1 इक्वल 0 कौट आसी एठू आसी ए दुईटा पाखे 1 और 5 पाखे सर्कल कर दिए दुईटा 0 माने पकड़ 0 ही होच तो 1 और 5 माइनस 5 पर सर्कल पकाइबा पड़े कौन पाई ए दुईटा एक्स जार 1 पकड़े डिनोमिनेटर 0 हो अनडिफाइंड आउ 5 पकड़े अनडिफाइंड हो 1 5 पर तुम सर्कल करदेव एंड एबे बर्तमान साइन बाहर करवा फास्ट रे देखो न्यूमरेटर रे एक्स साइन कौन अच्छी कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स न्यूमरेटर रे कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स कौन अच्छी न्यूमरेटर रे कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स कौन अच्छी को टिके इंपोर्टेंट एजा कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स देखो न्यूमरेटर रे कौन अच्छी 1 अच्छी कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स देखो ऊपर 1 अच्छी इंटू 1 अच्छी तले भी केते अच्छी 1 इंटू 1 अच्छी तो 1 पॉजिटिव आसु ना नहीं तुम मल्टीप्लाई थे एक्स कोएफिशिएंट रिजल्ट कौन आस प्लस आसुना माइनस देखिए एक्स कोएफिशिएंट ऊपर अच्छे 1 1 प्लस तले भी 1 प्लस अच्छे तो राइट साइड रू जो आंसर एक्स कोएफिशिएंट जो साइन आसला प्लस साइन आसला तो राइट साइड से साइन रू आरंभ करवा तो प्लस माइनस प्लस आमको रिक्वायरमेंट कौन ना एत कलापर इज डिफाइंड कौन कंडीशन दिस शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0 सो x प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स माइनस 3 डिवाइड बाय x माइनस 1 ये लिखा पड़े स्टेपटा x प्लस 5 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स व्हाट पॉजिटिव तो ए 3 टू इनक्लूड हम तेणु डार्क एड हम एटा गोटे पॉजिटिव हो 2 माइनस 2 जो सर्कल कले सी इनक्लूड हम छाड़ी कौन पे 1 पकड़े अनडिफाइंड हो 1 टा बाद दब माइनस 5 पकड़े अनडिफाइंड हो माइनस 5 टा बाद दब तो ये भितर आउ कौन हो प्लसटा यही भितर आपको बाद देकर तो डोम एफ इज इक्वल टू माइनस इनफिनिटी माइनस 5 बाद दब सर्कल लिखाई यूनियन 2 टा डार्क कराई डार्क हेले स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट माइनस 2 1 सर्कल है कॉमन ब्रैकेट एंड यूनियन 3 टा डार्क है स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट 3 टू इनफिनिटी दिस इज आंसर देन अनदर क्वेश्चन based on this concept find the domain of f of x is equal to find the domain of f of x is equal to what domain of f of x is equal to suppose here 3 minus x plus 2 divided by 4 x plus 3 into x plus 2 x plus 4 same concept this is defined f of x is defined here solution f of x is equal to square root of 3 minus x plus 2 by x plus 3 into x plus 4 it is defined if 3 minus x into x plus 2 by x plus 3 into x plus 4 greater than equal to 0 सेम कंसेप्ट सबू टर्म को 0 नहीं कि वैल्यू काट दियो सबू टर्म 0 वैल्यू काले x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 3 माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू कते 0 x इज इक्वल टू 3 x plus 2 is equal to 0 केते x is equal to minus 2 ए दुटा न्यूमरेटर रो आसले न्यूमरेटर रो आसी क्लियर ए दुटा कोड आसी न्यूमरेटर रो आसी न्यूमरेटर माने लब न्यूमरेटर आसी and x plus 3 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 3 x plus 4 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 4 ए दुटा डिनोमिनेटर आसी तेणु ए दुटा वैल्यू पुट कले 0 ही होछि डिनोमिनेटर आसी तो नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करिबा ड्रॉ नंबर लाइन फर्स्ट राइट माइनस इनफिनिटी प्लस इनफिनिटी एंड व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर हियर माइनस 4 टा डिनोमिनेटर अछि तुमको आपको सर्कल कर दियो एंड देन माइनस 3 आसे डिनोमिनेटर आपको भी सर्कल कर दियो देन माइनस 2 डिनोमिनेटर तो आपको डॉट करो -2 देन 3 एबे देखिबा कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x कोएफिशिएंट केता अछि एडी ऊपर -1 अछि एडी केता अछि 1 अछि डिवाइड बाय x कोएफिशिएंट कोन अछि 1 अछि एडी कोएफिशिएंट केता अछि 1 अछि तो 1 * -1 केते -1 बाय +1 तो -1 आसला नै नेगेटिव आसला नेगेटिव हेले नेगेटिव आसला नेगेटिव आसले कोन हबो राइट साइड रो माइनस आरंभ हबो एटा माइनस तापर अल्टरनेट प्लस तापर माइनस तापर प्लस तापर माइनस बट रिक्वायरमेंट साइन कोन ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 रिक्वायरमेंट साइन कोन ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 सो रिक्वायरमेंट साइन ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू सो कोन करिया हम प्लस साइन जोडो ताको मार्क करदा एडी गोट अछि एडी गोट अछि एडी गोट अछि तो डोम एफ केता हबो डोम f equal to minus infinity minus 4 common bracket and union minus 4 to minus 3 common bracket and this is dark symbol so bold symbol so union square bracket minus 2 comma 3 this is the domain of the function. Okay, domain of the function. These are some basic concept of the domain of the function. Now, in case of logarithm function, what is the domain of f of x is equal to suppose log of 3 minus x. We know log is defined. We know the concept is what? Log px is defined, this should be remember, is defined if px greater than 0. So solution is log of 3 minus x is defined if 3 minus x greater than 0, 3 greater than x 0, 3 greater than x less than 3. So dom f, now please suppose this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity and this is 3. Less than means left side. Not equal to, so present here. Equal sign absent, so this is the region. Dom f equal to minus infinity comma 3. Okay, these are the some concept of the domain and how to find domain and of the function. Next video we will discuss some more questions regarding domain and also the range of the function. Thank you. Have a nice day.